Okay, I'm now going to show you a few more tricks to do with text and things like that. So let's go to the editor, and here we have our very familiar screen. I press play, it basically does nothing. So the first thing we want to learn about is displaying text. So to do that, you can just simply go text, then the name of the thing that you want to display, not the name, the text itself, and the position. So you can go 100 in the X, 100 in the Y, and let's run that. And sure enough, there it is. But let's do something a little more interesting. Instead of 100, 100, we will do it like this. Mouse X and mouse Y. Oops, that should be lowercase. We'll try that. And now my word is following me around. Okay, that's all well and good. Now the next little thing I think we should do, which is of benefit to us, is just to display the value of mouse X and mouse Y. So I'm going to go text mouse X. I want that to appear in the top right-hand corner. So that would be in the X roughly, let's say 350, and in the Y, say 20. And I also want to display mouse Y. Now in the X, it's also 350. I'll put it underneath it, so position 30. Let's try that. So as you can see, as I move my pointer, the numbers change. So just as an experiment, if I go to the top left-hand corner, yep, it's going towards 0. Down the bottom, it's going towards 400, 400, because that's my canvas size. All the way over to this top corner here, the Y is roughly 0, and on this left-hand side, X is roughly 0. So that's pretty good. Okay, now we're going to do something which involves clicking the mouse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create, first of all, a global variable. So global variables, in theory, are variables that we declare right at the top of our program. So I'm going to create a thing called clicks, and I'm going to say its value is 0. Then here, I'm going to display the value of clicks. So I'll go clicks, and maybe I'll do it in the center of the screen. So 200, 200, and we'll just try that first of all. Run that, and sure enough, there's our value of clicks. But now what I want to do is every time I click the mouse, I want it to record that I've done that. So the way to do that is there's a special function called mouse pressed, and I think this is how you type it. We'll find out. So it's a special function, so I'm not making the name up, but every time you click the mouse, control will go down there and then it will go back again. So I will say in here that clicks equals clicks plus 1. And every function you need to close the curly bracket like that. I'll run that. And sure enough, every time I click, the number changes. Now you can also change the font and the text size. It's a little bit small, isn't it? So I'll say text size 32. Oh, should be an X there. We'll run that. And now all of my characters and words and things are larger. So of course, the large number is great for those first ones, but too big for the other one. So up here, I'll need to just go back to, I don't know what size it was. Was it size 12? Let's try that. Okay, so here we are back to normal. So that's all there is for this video. Watch the next one and we'll learn a few more tricks.